I'm here today is to get my brand new body. I hope to achieve all of the goals. This is the body that I've dreamed about. I've lost a lot of weight since Dr. Moein did the gastric sleeve. So now I'm back to get it all tightened up. I've lost the 80 pounds and now I'm ready to enjoy this body in a bikini. The reason I chose Moein Surgical Arts, like, it's in the name. Like, Dr. Moein is so passionate and is so caring about his patients and the art in his work. He doesn't only see a body that he's about to chop up or just a procedure that's supposed to be done, but he sees the beauty in the scar. He sees the beauty in the portions of the fat he's taking out and in certain areas that he's taking it out of. I've even seen him go above and beyond for a patient that didn't, couldn't pay for a certain area, but he knew that it would look so much better if this was gone, and just did it so that his art would stand out. So that's what I can appreciate and why I came. My wow moments, the first one with the weight loss, I really was walking literally down Dr. Moein's office. I used to work here with him, and then I saw the side image of myself. We were talking to a patient and I just saw like my chin and just how my belly was like sticking out, and I was like, oh my God, like I have this image in my head. And your social media like, kind of helps us be a little bit delulu because of the filters that I was using. I thought that I was looking a lot better than I actually was. That really made me open my eyes, and I decided to get the gastric sleeve. Then my other wow moment of being like, no, now I need to tighten it all up and live my best life. Now that I feel the right weight, I feel good. I don't look good in the clothes. The saggy skin, the droopiness. I tried to put on a two-piece bathing suit and I was mortified. I was like, no, even though I feel good and I'm at the weight that I wanted to be, I don't look it. How I think this procedure will help my self-confidence and my life, it's gonna be major. I know that I've dealt with this issue for so long that actually being able to just put something on without putting the Spanx on, without having to think of what areas to hide, or I'm already a very tall woman, so even buying clothes is very challenging. So sorry, I'm gonna get emotional. Just being able to not think about the Spanx and the clothes and it's gonna be really nice to just throw something on without having to overthink, or it won't take me 2 hours now to get ready.